If the Xfinity app constantly asks you to sign in on your iPhone or Android device, it's likely due to issues with single sign-on, SSO. SSO allows you to log in once and access multiple Xfinity services. Problems arise when the app's stored login token expires prematurely due to app updates, network instability, or server-side changes on Xfinity's end. This is a common problem, especially after app updates or Comcast server maintenance. The app tries to refresh tokens every 24 to 48 hours, but if the app crashes or has a network interruption, you will be required to log in. First, try the basics. Restart your device and the app. Clear the app's cache and data, settings, apps, Xfinity, storage, as corrupted data often causes issues. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, not cellular data. If using an iPhone, disable iCloud keychain for the Xfinity app, then re-enable SSO in the Xfinity app settings to resolve iCloud interference with SSO tokens. Keep your Xfinity app updated to the newest version, as that will have bug fixes. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. If problems persist, log out of all Xfinity sessions via xfinity.com/account and re-log in. These steps address common causes, but the issue may require a permanent app-side solution from Xfinity, so check their official support channels for updates.